the end of 2025, seen Diddy Combs has been serving time at FCI Fort Dix in New Jersey. The 56-year-old rapper was sentenced to 4 years, or 50 months, behind bars and is expected to be released around June 2028. Reports say Combs has been settling in well after being transferred from the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, interacting with fellow inmates. One notable encounter was with former NBA player Sebastian Telfair. In 2023, Telfair pleaded guilty in a $4 million healthcare fraud case and was sentenced to 6 months at Fort Dix. During that time, he came into contact with Diddy. Telfair was asked if he learned any life lessons from the rapper. He said, "Shout out to Diddy. I hope he gets through everything he's going through. But I learned my lesson, as soon as the judge said, 6 months, I ain't need to be in here talking to Diddy or nobody else. I don't really want to give Diddy my lesson. I learned from that. But shout out to him. I hope he gets through the situation. I hope he's a better person when he gets out." Telfair's comments show he learned from his own experiences, not from Diddy, though he clearly respects him. Combs' case is far more serious. Arrested in late 2024, he was charged with sex trafficking, racketeering, and more. His trial ran from May to July 2025, ending with convictions on 2 counts of transportation to engage in. Combs was transferred to Fort Dix in October 2025, a facility he preferred due to its treatment program, though ex-inmate Joe Giudice warned of violence and gang activity. Despite challenges, Diddy has stayed productive. He has started financial literacy classes for fellow inmates, first at the MDC and then at Fort Dix. Former participants have praised him for helping them. Questions remain about Diddy's future. While some believe he may salvage his image, others, like Aubrey O'Day, doubt he will truly change. The public won't know the full story until his release in 2028, when we'll see if his perspective mirrors Telfair's.